other top story tonight takes us to Clear Creek County.
Yeah, we have an update for you regarding the case of Christian Glass. He was a 22-year-old who may have been shot by a Clear Creek County deputy. It happened in 2022 after he called 911 for help. As you remember, there are currently 7 officers charged in regards to that night. 1 has already pled guilty. The new sheriff in town wants more transparency. Today, your reporter in the mountains, Spencer Wilson, followed up to see if that was happening. Spencer.
So there's a strict court order right now within the courtroom that there are no cameras allowed. We even have it on paper right here. That is not uncommon, but we've been trying to show the defendants in this case. So today I spent an hour and a half inside of this building, which is half county offices, half courtroom, following around 2 of the defendants who refused to come out back onto public property because they were hiding from me and hiding from you, the viewer here at home, because they didn't want their faces shown on camera, but they did anyway.
Georgetown Marshal Randy Williams, charged with duty to intervene and 3rd-degree assault, as well as Georgetown police officer Timothy Collins, facing a failure to intervene charge, went before the court, asking for a later court date after the planned court date for the main case, Andrew Buin's murder trial, set in April.
It was predictable. They definitely want to go after Officer Buin's trial. They made that very clear. There's some wisdom to doing that, but all they're doing is delaying the inevitable. They will have to face a jury here, and they will eventually be held accountable for the abject failure to protect Christian that night.
They also had to face me today, as I wandered around inside the county offices, following them into the basement where they tried and failed to go past a security checkpoint and tried to wait me out, hoping I would get bored. Here's Timothy Collins, turning around after I started recording him leaving out the back door, and then 45 minutes later, when my cameraman caught him trying to leave again. And here's Randy Williams, after he finally left out the front door. And sure, we have video of them from that night as well. But we're showing what happens when you're charged in a criminal case. Should they be ruled innocent, you can bet that we'll cover that. But if found guilty, this is an important piece of holding those accountable, who could be judged responsible for not stepping in to save Christian's life. It's the same reason Simon Glass, Christian's father, continues to show up to these court cases.
Someone has to represent Christian. We're here to represent his interests, and I think it's important that these people understand that this will last us the rest of our lives. We face this every morning. Every morning I wake up and I realize Christian's not alive.
Now, there are 7 cases still running that all stem from that night back in 2022. You can bet that we will stay on top of this and bring you the latest. Live in Georgetown, Spencer Wilson, covering Colorado First.
Spencer covers what's happening across the high country. Recently, that has been stories in Walden, A-Basin, Vail, and Georgetown. You can always reach out to him through cbscolorado.com.